Okay, my project for today is to see if I can repair my clutch basket. It's the original clutch basket out of the bike that's worn out. Put a different one in, but it's just as bad. This bike being almost 28, well, over 28 years old now. Clutch basket's no longer available to buy, so I'm going to have to see if I can fix this. So what I'm going to do first is dump all the plates out, and what the problem is this drive gear on the back, you can see, wiggles, which allows the shaft in the center to move up and down. So what I'm going to do is, beside the stock riveting, I'm going to drill holes, use some stainless steel bolts, and try and thread them in and see if I can't get this tightened up so it's tighter and quieter on the bike. Okay, so what I've done is I've drilled my hole from the bottom through. Now it looks like there's vulcanized rubber in between, so there must be a little bit of give designed with this unit, but I'm going to go ahead and make it solid. I can live with a little bit of harshness. So I've drilled it 1/4 inch all the way through until I get to the aluminum, and then I've gone down to 7/32 so I can run my my tap through it. So I'm going to go ahead and tap the aluminum basket and thread a bolt in, and then I just have to do it 6 more times. Okay, you can see now I have my my stainless bolt through. You can see it does protrude somewhat from the outside of the basket, which I can't have. There's no clearance in there. So what I have to do is I'm going to mark this bolt with a Sharpie here. Hopefully the ink stays on the threads while I wind it back out. I'll shorten it, and then that's my bolt length. I'll just cut all my bolts to that length and carry on. Okay, here we are now. I've got all of the holes drilled, all of the holes tapped on the basket side. I've got my stainless bolts in. They're all tightened up really nice. I just took this out and tried it on a spare engine and transmission I have in the shed. Took all of the rocking out of the basket. I think it's going to be a really good fix. Only thing to bear in mind is because this had a vulcanized rubber center, I'm taking away some of the give that it was designed to have. So I'll just have to make sure I'm not too much of an animal on it and tear my primary out. But it should be good, and a good solution for an old bike that you can't get parts for anymore.